How much time do you spend chasing invoices instead of chasing your dreams? How many brilliant ideas gather dust because you're tied up in administrative quicksand? If you're a consultant or coach, you know the struggle is real. You're passionate about helping others, but the financial back end often feels like a second, less exciting full-time job. You're constantly juggling clients, proposals, project management, and then, lurking in the shadows, is the ever-present need to manage your money, pay your taxes, and generally keep your financial house in order. It's a never-ending cycle of invoicing, waiting for payments, reconciling accounts, and often, feeling like you're playing catch-up. But what if there was a better way? What if there was a banking solution specifically designed for the unique financial rhythms of consultants and coaches? A solution that understands your need for flexibility, your desire for automation, and your ambition to scale without getting bogged down in financial minutiae. Imagine a world where your banking works for you, not against you. A world where you can focus on what you do best, empowering your clients and growing your business, while your finances practically manage themselves. Today, we're diving deep into Relay Bank, a financial institution that's been making waves in the world of small business banking, and we're going to explore why it might just be the game changer you've been searching for as a consultant or coach. We'll unpack its features, discuss its benefits, and help you understand if Relay is the right partner to help you reclaim your time, streamline your finances, and ultimately, achieve the freedom you envisioned when you started your consulting or coaching practice. For years, traditional banks have offered a one-size-fits-all approach to business banking. They cater to a broad spectrum of businesses, from retail giants to local restaurants, and while they serve a purpose, they often fall short when it comes to the specific needs of service-based professionals like consultants and coaches. We don't typically have inventory to manage, we don't have physical storefronts, and our income streams can sometimes be less predictable, flowing in project-based payments or recurring retainers. This is where Relay steps in, offering a tailored approach that resonates deeply with the entrepreneurial spirit of consultants and coaches. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room: fees. Many traditional banks nickel and dime you with monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, and a host of other charges that can quickly eat into your hard-earned profits. Relay, on the other hand, boasts a fee structure that's refreshingly simple and often non-existent for everyday operations. Imagine banking without worrying about minimum balance requirements or getting dinged for every little transfer. This transparency and cost-effectiveness are immediate wins for any consultant or coach looking to maximize their profitability. Every dollar saved on banking fees is a dollar that can be reinvested into your business, whether it's for marketing, professional development, or simply paying yourself more. But beyond the appealing fee structure, Relay's core strength lies in its ability to empower you with unparalleled financial visibility and control, particularly through its innovative multi-account feature. Think about it. As a consultant or coach, you likely have different financial buckets. You have your operating expenses, a dedicated fund for taxes, perhaps a savings account for future investments or a rainy day fund, and then, of course, your income. In a traditional bank, managing these separate categories often involves meticulous spreadsheets or opening multiple individual accounts, which can be cumbersome and time-consuming. Relay simplifies this dramatically by allowing you to create up to 20 individual checking accounts, all under one umbrella. This isn't just a convenience, it's a strategic financial management tool. Imagine having a dedicated account for your marketing budget, another for software subscriptions, one for professional development, and a separate one for client payments. This level of granular control allows you to instantly see where your money is going, track your spending against specific budgets, and make informed financial decisions without having to dig through mountains of transactions. For a consultant or coach, this means you can allocate funds for your next coaching program launch, set aside money for that coveted certification, or ensure you always have enough in your tax account, all at a glance. No more guessing, no more scrambling. This multi-account feature also significantly simplifies tax preparation. One of the biggest headaches for self-employed individuals is the annual tax scramble. With Relay, you can create a dedicated tax savings account and automate transfers into it with every payment you receive. This set-it-and-forget-it approach ensures you're never caught off guard when tax season rolls around. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your tax obligations are being proactively managed, rather than being a source of stress and last-minute panic. This proactive approach to tax savings can literally save you thousands of dollars in penalties and interest, not to mention the invaluable peace of mind it provides. Beyond internal organization, Relay truly shines when it comes to integrating with the tools you already use to run your consulting or coaching business. Let's talk about accounting software. If you're using QuickBooks Online or Xero, Relay offers seamless, direct integrations. This means your transactions automatically sync, eliminating the need for manual data entry and drastically reducing reconciliation time. For a busy consultant or coach, this is a massive time saver. Imagine logging into your accounting software and seeing all your transactions neatly categorized and ready for review, without having to manually import statements or painstakingly match receipts. This level of automation frees up hours, allowing you to focus on client work, develop new programs, or simply enjoy more personal time. And it's not just accounting software. Relay also plays well with popular payment processors like Stripe and PayPal. This means you can easily transfer funds between your Relay accounts and your payment gateways, streamlining your entire payment collection process. The less time you spend on administrative tasks, the more time you have for revenue-generating activities. Now, let's talk about collaboration, a crucial aspect for many growing consulting and coaching practices. As you scale, you might bring on virtual assistants, project managers, or even other coaches. Sharing access to bank accounts can be a security nightmare with traditional banks. Relay addresses this with its robust team management features. You can grant specific team members role-based access to different accounts, setting custom permissions for viewing transactions, initiating payments, or even managing specific budgets. This means your virtual assistant can handle invoicing and bill payments without having full access to all your financial information, providing both security and efficiency. This granular control is invaluable for maintaining financial integrity as your team expands, allowing you to delegate without sacrificing control or security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.